Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 3,168. Department of Health and Family Welfare felicitates Remitech Solution Kohima. Logayukta Nagaland grant prosecution sanction against 2 retired IAS officer. Government created 319 new posts under Health and Family Welfare Department to strengthen COVID-19 fight. Pangyu. No COVID-19 community transmission in Nagaland. Pangyu. Nagaland spent about Rs 139 crores in total to fight COVID-19, CM Rio. Dimapur shops to open from August 17. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 3,168. Nagaland on Thursday registered 50 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 3,168 cases. 2,015 active, 1,139 recovered, 8 deaths and 6 migrated. In a tweet, Health Minister S. Pannavithilum set out for the 50 cases that were detected. 40 were reported in Kohima, 5 in Zunabadha, 4 in Mon and 1 in Dimapur. As per the severity of symptoms, 2011 cases are asymptomatic, 2 mild and 2 moderate. Department of Health and Family Welfare felicitate Remitech Solution Kohima. The Mission Director, National Health Mission, Nagaland, Dr. Kevi Chusa felicitated Remitech Solutions Kohima for their valuable contribution toward the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare. Remitech Solution Kohima contributed to the Health Department in the form of IT equipments, telecom equipments, software and manpower services towards setting up of Nagaland COVID-19 toll-free helpline interactive voice response IVR system. Logayukta Nagaland grant prosecution sanction against 2 retired IAS officers. Logayukta Nagaland granted prosecution sanction against 2 retired IAS officers, former Agriculture Protection Commissioner and Chairman of the SFACN and former Managing Director SFACN for irregularities in issuing the work order from the post-harvest management of the horticulture crops in 6 districts in Nagaland to the contractor without technical approval. Case was registered on October 6, 2018 against the Secretary Horticulture Department and Managing Director Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium SFAC Nagaland, who had issued the work order for the project post-harvest management of horticulture crops in Dimapur, Peren, Mokuchung, Twinspek and Voka to the contractor without technical approval. Report from DIPR stated. Government created 390 new posts under Health and Family Welfare Department to strengthen COVID-19 fight. Pangyu. The Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Nagaland, S. Pannavithilum, during his statement on COVID-19, informed the 6th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly that the state government has created 390 new posts under Health and Family Welfare Department to strengthen the fight against COVID-19. The new post under the Department of Health and Family Welfare was created to strengthen its human resource in the fight against COVID and to reduce the shortage of the technical manpower in the health sector, Pangyu said. Their 390 new posts include 120 allopathic doctors, 3 junior dental surgeons, 11 Ayush medical officers, 221 staff nurses, 6 research scientists for BSL lab, 6 laboratory technicians for BSL lab, 10 ECG technicians and 13 OT technicians. Pangyu further informed the House that the recruitment for the newly created posts are under process. No COVID-19 community transmission in Nagaland. Pangyu. The Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Government of Nagaland, S. Pannavithilum, during his statement on COVID-19, informed the 6th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly NLA that there is no community transmission of COVID-19 in Nagaland, as the history of contacts has been established in all positive cases. Pangyu stated that the first COVID-19 case in India was reported on January 30, 2020. On April 12, a patient from Nagaland was reported to be tested positive in Assam. On May 25th, 2020, the first 3 positive cases in Nagaland were detected among the returnees from Chennai. So far, a total of 48,901 samples were tested, out of which 28,557 samples were tested with BSL Lab RT-PCR, 20,344 with TrueNat machine. Nagaland spent about 139 crores in total to fight COVID-19, CM Rio. Nagaland Chief Minister Nefirio in the 6th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly on COVID-19 situation in the Nagaland said, despite Nagaland being a revenue deficit state, the government has spent about Rs 139 crores in total to fight COVID-19, out of which the state government from its own sources has spent about 112 crores. Dimapur shops to open from August 17. The Dimapur Deputy Commissioner issued an order on August 13 permitting the reopening of most shops and business establishments in Dimapur beginning August 17. The DC informed that all shops dealing in essential commodities in Dimapur district will be open from Monday to Saturday. The shops shall remain open only from 10 am to 5 pm. Meanwhile, all shops dealing in non-essential commodities or items will be open on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and open only from 10 am to 5 pm. The shops dealing in non-essential commodities or items will remain closed on Wednesdays. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.